back to Fez Does. Today we're filming an air horn scare prank in Big W, and if we get kicked out, other shops. I'm joined by Kez Does. Or is it Kez Does Explore?
No, it's Kez Does.
Kez Does, there you go. And saying HD.
So.
Fucking hell. Ow, my ear. Ow.
This wasn't the best idea.
That wasn't the best idea.
Yes, sir. Wait, do you want to go really loud as your Eve? Do you want it?
Jeez, that scared the shit out of me.
What the? Yeah, I know. I was ready for...
They just like...
Dude, that scared me. Fucking hell.
Dude, that scared me. Bye. I love my bike.
No, we're just...
No, we're just looking at bells.
Yeah,
Sorry.
so. Who did that?
God damn it.
That was me.
That didn't really work.
I need to whistle back on it because that like hurt my ears so much. 3.
Alright guys, well, we just got kicked out of Anaconda. I wasn't filming. God damn it. Now we're in Toys R Us. Yours is like munted.
Trying to return it.
Do you mind? I'm trying to go through here. Meh, meh.
We're the only ones here.
Alright guys,
Yeah.
I'll explain that we accidentally set off the alarm. Whoopsie.
Hey, come please help.
Sorry. Really? We've been riding around the entire time. Just went off now.
Ow, my head.